Kulumetashe, Santa Pema Mitabe, Kulumetashe, Kashera Yakana with the Otumfour Nana, Trim your mede.
Yeah, don't rush. We know where virus is.
Yes. Oh, thank God. So let's go.
Yes. No. If you do that, you are doing a mistake.
It's emergency.
What you are doing, when you see you are coming with art, you go run.
Yes.
So we want you to give us money for us to go and take taxi.
Yes.
Or take taxi.
Uber.
So we go and smash her and put him in the car. So we will bring him.
We will grip him. We will grip him.
We can all go together.
No. When he saw you coming, you run.
Yeah.
If I don't see you and Papa J,
he will run.
He will run away. So what we want to do is give us the money.
Then
we go secretly.
Yeah.
Behind Varro's back.
Yeah.
We grab, like
we will grip
Varro's, put some inside the car.
Okay, so you guys, what do you do? We get you guys the money.
It's all the money.
Yes.
Boga, give us money. You brought Varro's into your feet.
Give them money.
Simple.
Yeah.
Simple method.
So always you give us money. That's the only opinion for us to bring Varro's for you.
And then when you get the boat money, then you give her top money. Top, our body become fit and strong.
I love that way.
Enough, guys, enough. Yeah, mom, pin, cry, mom.
Oh, right.
Yes. Pin, cry, mom. Get out.
Please,
please.
You're talking to me.
No, you. Boga, listen to us. We will grip him, put him into the Uber.
This Boga, the Tasmasi.
And then we swear heaven, we will bring Varro's.
You bring Varro's for you.
To you.
All you have to do, give us something to put in our pocket.
Today I said you guys are not getting anything.
Oh,
Moga said him the money.
You get.
You don't know what you guys are up to.
You get.
We are doing
a nice job.
And now say you
job.
It's easy.
Hey, Babs.
Yes.
Bedman. Ice.
Hello.
Walk out.
Why?
Walk out. Move if you are called.
Boga, please talk to us.
Boga, please talk something.
Say the baby can say no make catch them.
Boga,
this one is the money is the
take him. Why, Boga?
Yeah.
Ogoro.
Tamen bremane nje wipe ya jo minjina. You want it cool to don't me ya jeje ho maso so test up when so me ho man ho I near me near virus me pie can pay first you be anya sun tie ka tie bre fie yen dia fu se jeje tie dia trebe pass me me see me pie me she me take kwa trefu sie na hwe me ye call me fire
for the wood and you giddy kore boko casino yeah what you say I do it for the wood. Giddy, corner, baka, casino, yeah, what you say? I do it for the wood. Giddy, corner, baka, casino, yeah, what you say? I do it for the wood. Do it for the wood. I do it.
Hi. Excuse me. Do you remember me? Virus feel. Oba had the last time.
Virus wife. Yeah. Okay.
But your minion wife is minion wife.
Minion wife.
No, minion wife.
So why did you guys treat me like that?
Babe. Like I'm confused because well, see me anyway. I can't say me anyway.
How can you say your wife?
Anyway, that was them. But what's it about? What's it about?
Of course, I know he's wanted.
Thank you so much. So, until when baby on me, show baby on.
I don't know where he is.
Oh, please, my sister.
I don't know if I mean, if you want to scare us, I'm coming.
Because
me find out this guy.
Oh, yeah, sure. Babe, please come. Nipa no dupe on you. This is the guy. That's my guy. Yes. When we did the sick, One of them is gonna I can see some movie. Oh, this is the guy. Babe, what?
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, onim virus. No, another.
I like your perfume anyways.
Thanks. It's called Bentley.
Bentley.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. I'll get some.
I
don't know where he is. Honestly.
You do? Cause me and the girl.
Yes, me and the girlfriend. But as of now, I don't know where he is. Minimum come me not come my disc long time.
You sure?
Of course.
But someone who number now also.
Of course.
And to say in case I'm home or let me give you my number, please.
That's fine.
I beg you.
But the number on the flyer is mine,
Yes.
so you can call me.
She knows. What are you trying to say?
Babe, if you think you know where he is, why can't you tell me so that?
Honestly, I don't know. If I know, I would have called long time.
So, yeah.
Okay. Your name, please?
Ella.
Okay, Ella.
You call this number, don't call the other line.
That's fine.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Sweetheart, sorry, eh?
It's fine.
Thank you so much.
So, thank you, yeah?
Thank you. The name again, I forgot.
Tima Wanda.
Tima Wanda.
Alright, so Tima,
Okay.
that's you,
Thank you so much. Do call me, okay? Sure. Call.
Virus is in Timo Dimpow.
Call me.
Sure.
I will expect your call.
I'll call you.
Alright, thank you so much. Call my line.
Obi abiri mojani pa kotena wom for so many years. The Scarborough say fire the man was medi. Me the road draws. Me the road draws. Hey! My brother was pass up our good drop out. Say me Otumfour Nana. Otumfour etu hu sei. Otu okoso okra po no so otiska dwa so kra mpo. Sika o say na nye o say na onyansem. O de ya repa. Na virus dey kaka na me grab ni say ya. That me hu ni anyways.
I know the face. This the woman coming. I saw the virus.
This old
yeah. Papa no be.
This old
Yes, she's part of the victims. Hello, madam. Hello. Excuse me, madam. Hello, madam. Hello, madam. Hello. Please, give me the name. Yes. So what's the news now about the virus? And you be what?
Do I look like somebody who will harbor a wanted man? Do I look like an accomplice to a fraudulent person?
No, I know.
Do I look like I will condone an unlawful act?
No, but
Nipa why wanted in Ubi some say mehuna now purchase.
I mean so many deep comments here and Nipa no or deep on in here. This is the guy. That's my guy.
Hello.
See, Mr. Mamen Fro, why? And I will be Jimmy Hamamen Fro. Why?
Oh, okay.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, guy, in Intervention.
I don't know how deep on anything car. Yeah, you're
Now, what do you pin up? Unim Adia virus there, me. Do you be chain, do you be Anna? Ah? Who you be crowd naturally won't share them, me, papa. The mayor who send what do pin and what do you say? Now, what more by trade, Anna?
Oh, no, Dad.
Are you guys trying to make fun of me or something?
No,
Please,
no,
we can't,
lady.
ma'am. Please. If I said something
Yeah,
like
sorry,
wrong, I'm sorry.
But
I am not in the best of moods. In fact, my nerves and emotions are stretched to breaking point.
I'm sorry.
anyway,
so
sorry for everything, yeah, but My name is Papa J.
I feel like no boy saying I'm
And I want to plead if you know where he is or where.
That is what I don't want to hear. Like, do I look like I'll condone an unlawful act? You looking for virus is the same mission I'm also on. I've been roaming all over the city for the past weeks. What do you me? So I'm 40,000 in excess of 40,000.
Oh, come on, what is 40,000?
Sure.
What, me almost 700,000 Ghana cedis, which is 7 billion, and you are talking about 40,000 cedis.
Obia there na you.
Yes, I know.
Was 700,000 no, and family who maybe 40,000 making who.
Cool, but please.
What time about China? I'm full some money, but who's the sky? Jessica? Was 700,000 no, miss me 40,000.
Left hand, please. You don't do this.
Sure, ma'am. I am from so.
Come on.
You so left hand away why? Who was 700,000? You are trying to belittle and demean maybe 40,000. That is what I don't want to hear about.
No, send me who na me Jimmy Sika. I can even dash you 40,000. Okay.
It's
so
okay.
Please relax.
Please, madam, please forgive us.
You guys are not even worth my trouble. Oh, 700,000, maybe 40,000.
See what she said? She's so not in the mood.
Okay, can I give you a lift?
Jeez, babe.
No, what is wrong with this woman?
Did you hear what she said?
No, what is 40,000?
Me, I should say, and it's I
can send you your 40,000 on my phone. Come on.
Let's see about this time. Now, Upia and I will talk about amen. What's an boy's name? Ham. Oh, let's talk about this. What's so pesa? What does he form?
No, I don't know.
Why?
In Obana, my uncle Alex.
She.
Hey,
send you pan and
I say, Uncle.
Oh, come on. I don't know if you want to be papa money you want to say.
Ni paponi father, so
your friend Vera.
Miss me, dear ma.
You are very beautiful girl.
Thank you.
People are saying, "Oh, sit down, you
Iceman. We are sure. I have a match for junction. Because now what baby na me na mo. For junction wa. Meba.
Only why like this?
Iceman.
Minimum. Only why.
500 million.
500 million only.
Yeah, hello. Good afternoon. Who is this, please? Yeah, this is Papa J. Okay. 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 Awuya. Oh, okay. Okay, but I'm going to town at the moment, so. But where are you? I mean, where are you currently? Oh, then you are in front of my house. Yeah, so you can chip in.
Smile. Free smile, go beat it.